This is a Windows Explorer command file. The most famous one is show desktop.scf. When you click it, it triggers a system command rather than opening a program. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's create one. A quick note. Our segment will highlight the immense value of having one comprehensive file inspector that can instantly handle stubborn errors across many different file extensions. And .scf file is a special command file used by Windows Explorer to execute a single specific command. The most famous example is the show desktop icon, which uses an .scf file to run the command to minimize all open windows. Users encounter it when creating or troubleshooting system shortcuts. This is a plain text file structured like an INI file. It contains sections like shell and taskbar with specific command parameters. This simple text-based design was chosen for its ease of creation and parsing by the Windows shell, allowing for simple, executable shortcuts without compiling code. The most widely recognized opener for SCF is unequivocally Microsoft Windows Explorer from Microsoft Corporation. Windows cannot verify the digital signature of this file type natively. They do not contain the actual content, so they depend entirely on the target file or application. Let's find the specific program that recognizes the file signature. Right-click the SCF file and hit Open With. Test Microsoft Windows Explorer if available. If not, choose a different app. Compatibility is the likely issue. If your SCF file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. Since the initial attempt failed, the issue is now narrowed to 3 key areas. Here is a simple list of the most frequent errors and how you can verify each one immediately. First, opening as text. Open SCF files in Notepad to view the command structure. The simple INI format identifies the target Windows shell command. The show desktop SCF, for example, contains a command identifier, triggering the desktop minimize behavior built into Windows Explorer's shell command handler. Next, creating custom SCF files. Create new SCF files by copying the show desktop format and modifying for other supported shell commands. Save with the .csf extension and place where convenient for activation. The limited command set includes desktop manipulation and shell features, rather than arbitrary application launching capabilities. Finally, securing against misuse. SCF files have historically been used in security exploits to harvest network credentials. Avoid running SCF files from untrusted sources and configure Windows Defender or other security software to scan them. Modern Windows updates include mitigations, but vigilance remains important for system security. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend FileMagic. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagic.com. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.